Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik driving robot discovery based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and programmed in Python when running the community firmware. Last time I found out that I had access to the controller by some tricks and managed to get it driving towards these objects, but failed to get a nice result when it comes to the grabbing image and well, let's say separating the color red, which is supposed to happen. So this time I'm focusing on that topic, see how far I can get and if I can improve something. So let's see how that works out. Alright, different camera for the webcast, screen recording. Actually, I've gained access to the controller. 3 objects, and as you can see I have now the walking robot as well on screen. It's in a different room, but it doesn't matter because it is via Wi-Fi, and 2 terminals for discovery, including the Robot Pro to see the voltage of the battery pack, which is low at 8.2 volts. So I'm afraid it's not going to last very long. Anyway, let's run and see whatever result I get, and as you can see from these values, I doubt it's very good. So I will have to adapt those in here as well. But let's run. It should work with the necessary typing of passwords, and then it should go driving. Yep. And that it does. And now the problem is now that here it doesn't touch with the touch sensors, so it doesn't get a signal to change course, which is of course unfortunate. So let's try. So let's first see the images for it, what it is about. Alright, I have now put 2 images on. First is the regular image, and this is the color separation, which obviously isn't any good at all because you don't see any red except for some contours. So I'm going to apply these values here and see what it will be. So let's shift this window here. Then what will lower red be? Okay. This will become 160, 153, and 135. Upper red. Will be 177 and 233. Oops. And to 15, if I'm not mistaken. So let's run again with the robot back in its original position, kind of. And let's see how much battery I have left. 8.2. Okay. Let's go. That's not what I want to see. Yep. Typing in some passwords again, and that doesn't good. This is good. Nope. Once again it holds, but let me do it anyway. Okay, never mind. Now it's again with the latest. Is it 19? No, it's now 27 and oh. Let's say 22. Alright. That's one thing. Now for the resulting image. Oh, look at that. Now that is a result I want to see. Excellent. Everything black except for red. So, what is then 3612? Assuming that there is something like that. No, there isn't. 22, 1. Really? Oh, there's a 41. Really? No, 14. And then 41. 14, 19, 41. Okay, what's this? This is an old one, which is bad. So 1941, and this good one is 22.1. So this is the latest. Yes, there's only one that is good. Okay, but it's good anyway. Excellent. Okay, and different position of objects. The question is, of course, the result of the image. There we go. no touching, but will it turn its course? Right now I do not think so anymore. Although that contact has been touched, so there should be some turn. But I don't think it will happen. So let's find some more images. And let's see which are they. It's 4326 then. That's a nice one. Not quite sure. Oh, that is up close. Very up close. That is right here. So there should be one earlier. If this is 34, 33, 12. Which is in the far. And also in the far away, and also far away. I have to change the algorithm to get some better images, some diverse images. Yeah, I should do that, because this is too much of the same. But it's a nice result anyway. And what I also can see here is that everything else, all other colors, are indeed completely black. So these values are quite alright. This is what I need right now. Very good. So with this result with nice images and unfortunately a position where the robot apparently doesn't turn or change course upon touching with the touch sensor. This is it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. Please support by either becoming a patron or donate via either PayPal or IBAN, and you don't need to have a PayPal account to donate. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please see my website for more, much more, and this is going to be continued. For now, have a nice day. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.